When I was in high school, I really enjoyed all of the sciences, but mostly the physics and chemistry side. Um, and so I wasn't sure what I wanted to do at university. I didn't know I wanted to go to university. And I also enjoyed outdoor pursuits, hiking and such. So when I found out that earth sciences existed and were all of the sciences that you could do outdoors, I thought that would be a great way of doing stuff that would be fun without closing any doors of the things that I was enjoying. So we're involved in a huge number of projects at any given time. What is common to all of the work is making measurements of the Earth and piecing them together to try to understand how it came to be this way and how the different processes that act on the Earth affect each other. And so being able to unpick the past and predict the future from what we see right now, that gets me excited. I really like the hard fact of a measurement and then all of the inferences that you can make from that, not just an academic interest of how does this work or how big is this thing, but it's more directly engaged with why does this matter and what does this matter to. The work that I've done has been very field-based. I like being outdoors. I like working with teams of people in isolated environments. That suits me. But I think it's really important to recognize that if that doesn't suit you, we still need you because there's just such a breadth of work that needs to be done. There are people who are into chemistry. There are people who are into lab work. There are people who are into coding work. It is all hands on deck, and there is a place for everybody and everybody's interests to approach this question. In the nature of the work that I've done, which has been cool, faraway trips, particularly there, you're acutely aware of how much you rely on each other. And so the work that we've done, we have our instrument, the gravimeter, and we've got all the other instrument teams who do different stuff. And then we've got pilots, and we've got engineers, and we've got bus drivers, and we've got cooks, and we've got all sorts of people who are running these stations to help this thing happen. So you don't even have to be into the hard sciences to play a big role. And we couldn't do it without those people.